guys, welcome to this new video. Today we're going to talk about what is Kubernetes log, right? What is a Kubernetes log command used for? So in our Kubernetes for beginner series, what is Kubernetes log? So in simple language, Kubernetes log is actually the command that allows us to see the log of the container, right? And we only use the log on containers, right? The log only apply on port. You're not going to say the log apply on port. You can also get the log of job. You can also get the log of like a cron job. You can also get the log of like daemon set, right? Anything that create port. The log of like a stateful set a port, for example. So Kubernetes log is a command that actually allow us to get logs, and it's simple. If you go to the terminal right now, we say kubectl. K stand for kubectl. So I set an alias. So I say K kubectl get port. You can see here I have multiple ports here. So I can go ahead and get the log of this port. If I want to get the log of this port, I just have to say kubectl logs, and you give the log of the port name. So kubectl logs, you give the port name. It will go ahead and show you the log. So actually here, as we can see, I type kubectl log, it doesn't show me anything. Means that the port doesn't have the log. So just try this one. Kubectl logs, for example. As you can see now, this port doesn't have, for example, a log right now. But if the port had a log, you will be able to see that when we type kubectl log, you will be able to see, for example, the log of a port set, for example. So let's go get, for example, a Postgres YAML file. Then we run it. Then we try to get the log. So okay, let's get this file here and apply. It's going to be creating a database called Postgres, and this is going to fail so that I will show you guys the log. So let's copy this, and let's vim a file called Postgres.yaml. I think I had that file before. Let's vim into that, and basically everything is already here. So we have everything here, and we're just going to apply here. Let's say kubectl get port right now. We don't have that port. Then I will say kubectl apply -s. We have that here. It's going to create a Postgres container. Let's say kubectl get port again. We'll see that Postgres container has created, but it is in error state. So if you want to see what's going on, I can copy here. Then I will use the kubectl logs. You always log with S. If you say log, it will not work. It has to be log with S, just like you say Docker log. You pass a container, it will actually show you the log, and this log will be very helpful to troubleshoot this, right? It will show you the log, and the log will be very helpful to troubleshoot this. So kubectl log is used when you want to see the log of the container, and it's when we want the container has failed. I want to see why it fails, right? When we use kubectl kubectl log on that, for example, like here it's telling us that it failed because of this, and also we can use that when sometimes the application is misbehaving and we want to see the log to see why the application is misbehaving. So at that point we use kubectl log. I hope you like the video. See you guys on the next video. Thank you.